Good morning everybody and welcome back. I have a longer farmhouse video being filmed right now, but I wanted to post this video as just a question. I'm wondering if anybody knows what this is. This is the third one. This is actually the first one I found, but I've found 3 of them so far. And they're not anywhere near each other. They're all here somewhere on the farm property. I found one out in the field, one over here by the future chicken coop. I think the other one was over by the workshop barn. I don't know if this was something that they would step on to stick into the ground to make it into like a temporary fence post, because I can see it has wire that was attached there as well as right there. But on this top side or bottom side or whatever, it has, I don't know, it's like got flat spot on there. See that? So anyway, I just thought I'd post this out there to see if anybody has seen one or you know what it was used for. Please let me know in comments. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.